All right, I do have my new camera. It is the DJI Action 6. So I did previously have the 3. So yeah, I want to dial in the driving. So I just did some sample driving. Oh, and dude, legitimately 3 police officers within the span of 10 minutes. It's insane over here. But I think I got in some decent pulls. And yeah, I need a thicker tire. And you guys will see why I need a thicker tire on this thing. I'm running a 225/35/18. So in second and third gear, it just spins all the way through. I want to say my old tire. My old tire is right here. These are 225/40/18, so a little bit wider, but it's still not enough on this car. And I'm not even pushing like a ton of power. I'm probably at like 450 wheel, 475 wheel, maybe. Maybe. So I'm not even pushing this car to its peak potential, and I'm already spinning. But I think that's where the new project car will come in. Working on getting one right now. It's going to be V8 rear-wheel drive, manual, has to be. And yeah, I mean, this one right here isn't going anywhere. I can't get rid of this car as much as I want to. Unless somebody offers me a like really absurd price, like, I don't know, 22K cash with all the extra shit that I have on it, then maybe. But, you know, this thing is so fun to fucking drive. It is insane. But yeah, just some quick driving pulls. I think it's 4 pulls. Just testing out the camera settings, and you guys have been asking for some pulls on ethanol since I am done with ethanol now. So yeah, these are the pulls. And I could not go all the way through because, again, I just fucking spin second and third all the way. Fourth is really the only time that I'm hooking on 100% throttle. It's actually killer. But yeah, enjoy the pulls. I'm just going to cut it up so, like, the pull, it's like 1 pull, 2 pull, 3 pull, 4 pull, and then be done. I'm not going to put in any of the in-between crap because I know a lot of people don't want to see that, which I agree. You just want some pulls and click off the video and on to the next. So that's what we're going to be doing. Let me know about the video quality on this. Video quality for one, mic quality, and yeah, let me know if you want a different type of POV, like on the head so it swivels with my head, or just locked in. Whichever one, let me know. But enjoy the 4 poles and this T51R mod. Ah, shit. Yeah. Appreciate you guys for watching. Have a good one.